you all, or y'all. Welcome back to Shalom Meadows, the place where we're flipping this 1960s, 70s office trailer building into our home. And putting trim on the windows, and we're doing a little bit of electric. Oh, not that kind of electric. And we'll be putting up the trim. Probably won't get all that in one day or one video. You might get that in 12 videos. But happy Doodah Day. Chicka chicka boom bay. Thank y'all for coming back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you know we got videos coming out. And hey, we see you guys watching. Please start subscribing. We love y'all. Hey. So we hope you enjoy this video. Let's get the work started. You want me to tell you a story?
No. Down. Right. No. Up. Dude, where's the pencils? Okay. We're eventually going to stain these guys very soon. You had the measuring tape on you?
No.
With you?
Oh, man. You said they were both 2 feet?
Yeah, but we got to do the top and bottoms too. So I'm going to go get the measuring tape. Hold on. Go up just. That looks so much better already, though. It's unreal. Move your arm. Okay. That's good. Oh no. See if that one's the same.
Nope.
That's what I thought.
Not gonna be right.
Did the other one do it too?
No.
Here you go.
That's a mallet, not him.
Right there.
That in?
Mm-hmm.
Don't pull the trigger.
I wouldn't, Do you think banging that will do it?
No. On Turkey Day. I'll tell you a little story in a minute, maybe. But we don't celebrate. Nothing against you guys who do celebrate as well. So I'm letting you know what day it is because of the traffic. And if you've heard me say you're going to stuff yourself twice, you know what I'm talking about. It wanted to take it. Oh man, my chin. Oof. So you have been one of the ones eating, huh?
Yeah.
Because if a T-Rex come out of the woods, I think I would run. I wouldn't be like, oh, well, look there, there's a T-Rex. Roar! Look at me, I got a big head, little arms. You know? No. I'd be like, look at the big old gargantuan teeth. Not gargantuan. Scientist, nothing against you guys if you're scientists out there. Don't know anything. And why do I say that? Because once they said they were meat eaters. Then they said, oh, they're big and they got big old teeth. They might be vegetarians. Which one is it? If it truly existed. We're the tinfoil heads. Hey, and if you don't know what that means, sorry for you. Sorry,
Actually,
I thought an alien was calling me. Not. Wow, look at here. Hey, mother, how ugly you think I am now with the long hair? Hmm? Tell y'all a quick little story real fast. Okay. First off, I was working today. Today was Turkey Day. Okay. And lo and behold, while I'm working, I'm delivery driving here, right? People are deciding to jog today. Some kind of 5K thing for a gobbler. I don't know what that is. But you had to get behind cops. You had to do this. You had to do that. I was trying to deliver to a customer. And I couldn't go anywhere. I was moving like a turtle. Just moving like a turtle. I wanted to go like a horsey. But I couldn't galley up. I couldn't galley up. Some people needed to go, get out of the place so I could go somewhere. My wife had to urinate. I was like, I got money. I got sitting here. I got food somebody wants. I'm trying to deliver it to them. My wife's like, I got a pee-pee. I got a pee-pee. So, yeah, that was a very horrible time. I wanted to just go horsey up. Just get on there and just galley up past them and say, come on, get on home and eat your turkey. What you trying to do? Get off some pounds before you get fat again? Oh, well, guess what? You're not fat, okay? I just wanted to let you know that, okay? Maybe you're getting a little bit of turkey juice in you and you get a little sleepy. Well, that's a myth. You're eating 5,000 to 7,000 calories that day. Measure it up, people, okay? So my little story goes, I finally delivered the food. When I came back around, I had to take my wife to urinate. She urinated, and guess what? Then it was finally a good day. I could finally horsey up, throw on the baggage, and run with it. But guess what? It done slowed down. So I had to just pack up my bags and go on home. I just realized that this one is way lower than this one. Captain Morgan? Arr, matey! I don't drink. Sorry, y'all. That was another incompletion. At least we got one of those windows completed, but we didn't get the other one because we ran out of that treated wood there
by a few inches.
For the correct measurement. Yeah. So we needed like 44 and almost a quarter. Well, what we have is like 38. So, yeah, could we do that and cut another little piece and put it? But I don't want to make a mistake. So, oh, I'm not picking that trash up with my bare hands.
You have gloves.
Where are they at?
On the big box.
Like a glove. You know, there could be a big old snake over there. because there's a big old pile of trash already. And it's been soaking wet for a while.
Because it keeps raining.
Because it keeps raining, which praise the Lord.
On our days off.
On our days off, it keeps raining. Our days off from working on the house, that is. So it's hard to make fire in the wet. Don't be hating, be appreciating, okay? We're not one of those polluter earthers, okay? We like to make the earth clean. We're just polluting our own land, okay? Not the whole world. Look at me.
You made a V.
Did I? Or a Z.
It's more like an S.
Or an S.
Yep. Yeah, that.
My name's not Zora. I'm just simply a man. I'm sorry for the audio. We're outside of. Drop in the comments if you're like, hey, we can't hear you that well. All right, let us know if it needs to speak louder. I can touch my leg. Having trouble with grass, try laying rug or wall on the ground. You will not have trouble with that grass for a little while. In commercial. Using a phone as a flashlight. What do you know? Now she's trying to take the wall mount out.
Alright.
Ewan, she got the new box in.
But I forgot to,
But she forgot to open it up.
First.
And put the wiring in first. You know how it is.
It's okay.
Sometimes.
Still worked out.
Sorry about the lighting, y'all, but we gotta make sure the power's off and not get electrocuted.
Clearly. Now I'm just trying to get this hook on here. All right, guys. It works. Now I just got to do that again. So we're doing the last bit of sending, guys, and then this will be complete. Yeah.
All right, y'all. Thank you for coming back to Shalom Meadows. Thank you for checking us out again. Join us next time as we'll be putting some more trim up on the ceiling and possibly put some more drywall inside the laundry room, and we'll see what else we have in store. Don't forget to come check us out. So we see that you have quite a few newer people and stuff are viewing us. So please subscribe. Help us out a lot. Give them thumbs up. We love you guys. Don't forget to come watch us again. We hope you enjoyed this video. Shalom, y'all.